In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Meet in Fireflies.AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your Google account, have the Fireflies bot join your meetings automatically, and access your meeting transcription afterward. Let's start from the very beginning by opening Fireflies.ai. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in the Fireflies website address. When the page loads, either sign into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done that yet. Creating an account is straightforward. You'll just provide your basic details and verify your email if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Fireflies dashboard. Take a second to get familiar with this area because it's where you'll manage your meetings and transcriptions. Next, you need to connect your Google account so Fireflies can work with Google Meet. Look for the settings or integration section on your dashboard. There you should see an option to connect a Google account. Click that and a Google sign-in window will pop up. Choose the Google account you use for your meetings, then review the permissions carefully before you allow access. Fireflies needs these permissions so it can join your calendar events and Google Meet calls on your behalf. Once you confirm, you should see that your Google account is now connected. If you ever have multiple Google accounts, make sure you pick the one where your meetings are actually scheduled. Now that your Google account is linked, you're ready to schedule or join a meeting. You can do this the same way you normally would in Google Calendar by creating a new event and adding a Google Meet link. Because Fireflies is connected to your calendar, it can detect these upcoming meetings. Another option is to join a meeting someone else has scheduled. As long as the meeting is on the Google Calendar that's connected to Fireflies, the system will know about it. If your meeting isn't appearing in Fireflies, double check that it's saved to the correct calendar and that a Google Meet link is included in the event. When it's time for your call, the Fireflies bot will join automatically. You don't need to invite it manually if everything is set up correctly. At the scheduled start time, you'll see a participant with the Fireflies name appear in your Google Meet. That's the bot quietly recording and transcribing the conversation in the background. Make sure participants know the meeting is being recorded and transcribed, especially if your organization has specific privacy or compliance rules. If the bot doesn't appear, confirm that your Google account is still connected and that the event has a valid Google Meet link. After your meeting ends, you can view the transcription in Fireflies, give it a few minutes for the system to process the recording, then head back to your Fireflies dashboard. You'll see a list of your recent meetings. Click on the one you just finished and the full transcript will open. Here, you can read through the conversation, search for specific words or phrases, and review what was discussed without re-listening to the entire call. You can also skim key sections, highlight important moments, and share the notes or summary with your team. That's all you need to use Google Meet in Fireflies.ai. Open Fireflies, connect your Google account, schedule or join your meeting, let the bot join automatically, and then review your transcription afterward.